What's up, YouTube? Got another mod for you here. This is going to be my Fastman Throttle Body for my 6.4 cam Challenger. Install this tomorrow. I got an AFR gauge installed, so I'll be retuning my 6.4 with Jay tomorrow and report back. So this is a brand new one. The cost on this one from Fastman was $417 shipped. And here's a big sponsor right there. He is the cause and the sponsoring of all this good stuff. Alright, YouTube, this is the Fastman. This is the 6.4 Mopar Challenger throttle body. See the fit and finish, the machining, all that stuff he does to it. So nice and clean. I want to use this tool here to measure to see what the overall outside diameter is going to be. Oh boy. Alright, that's right at 84 millimeter. The stock is right at 81. Do it again. Right around 81. That's the back of the unit. That's right at 83. 80. So just a few millimeters in total diameter plus the polish surface here should make a difference. This one is a little bit kind of sandpaperish. This one's super smooth. Coming up to the 6.4 body here. Sorry, it's a one-man show. I'm gonna clean the gasket and then go ahead and install that, and then I'll shoot you another video when it's on. So pretty much the throttle body is installed. Right now I'm working on the pull data log for Jay while recording the AFR and try to get this thing whole fully tuned. It's tuned already, but I think there's just a little bit left to squeeze out of this thing for power. So that's what I'm That's what I'm searching for. That little extra 1 to 2 horsepower that's left. Alright, stay put guys, I'll be back.